WITSON.
Isuzu D-Max here. Will fit a few other cars, which obviously we'll put down in the description down below. But obviously I'll just show you the little ins and outs of this system here. Keep it quite short. So this is the home page here. This is where your navigation, your Bluetooth. You can assign any maps of choice over to there. So if you got Google Maps in there, you can put on there. So also there's your Bluetooth interface. Just go back to there. There's your applications. As you can see, it's nice and responsive. It comes with built-in CarPlay and Android Auto too. If you're familiar with our videos, you know basically what's on there. It's got your FM AM radio. You can add DAB radio to it if you want, as RDS, and shows the station names. Music app there, so if you want to put your music on a pen drive, you can play it through there, as well as videos. There's not much more I can show you there, guys. There's the CarPlay app. There's your Play Store. So if you want to download any applications from the Play Store of choice, like Netflix, YouTube, and all that, you can do that too. You can add things to it like DVR cameras, rear camera, OBD modules, any Android type systems and modules, TPMS and stuff like that you can add to it. So I'll just keep it short today, guys. So if you've got any questions, give us a shout.
WITSON.